free. I go with the wind, the blazes southern, I keep them within.
What's up, guys? So today we are out here in, actually, to tell you the truth, I always start out these videos saying, hey, we're this place, we're that place, but you know what? I have no idea where I'm at. We're in the middle of nowhere in the Atlantic Ocean. As you can see behind me, there is nothing out here. There's nothing. Literally, I'm like the only thing out here. So I don't even know how to get back, but I got a compass. So we're gonna see if we can use it. If not, hey, we'll make a camping video on the jet ski in the middle of the Atlantic. That'd be cool, right? But anyway, we're out here. I don't know what we're gonna find. We're gonna jump in and see if we can find some cool stuff. I've heard some rumors that there's some neat stuff out here. We're gonna go ahead and dive down together. We're gonna try to find some cool stuff down in here. And like this water, if you can see behind me, like it's emerald green. It's beautiful, man. It is amazing. Like, I've seen some cool places in my day, but this has to be one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my entire life. It is so neat. And the wave conditions and the wind conditions aren't too bad. I came out here a couple days ago trying to film, man, and every time like the waves are huge. Like every time like a wave would come by, like I'd be airborne for like 10 seconds and land. There's no way I could hold the camera and film, you know. So anyway, I came out here, and as soon as I seen I was getting airborne every time, so I was like, heck with this, I'm going back in. So I went back in, played around with some mangroves, and checked some stuff out down there. But we're out here, we're gonna dive down in here, and we're gonna see if we can find some cool stuff. Marine life, treasure, everything that we can find, I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna experience it together for the first time. So let's get out of the water. This looks like a good place city. Let's get it, guys. So what'd you guys think of that? Wasn't that cool? Now, what the coolest thing was that I had no idea where this thing was, okay? People, whoa. Oh, I thought I was sinking. People said I was kind of crazy going out here on jet ski, but hey, it panned off, right? It was pretty neat. And I had all the gear with me. As you can see, I have the scuba tank. On this side, I have the BCD and the drone on that side. And also, we're not supposed to have a drone out here, so don't tell anybody. I won't tell anybody if you don't. So anyway, we've seen the statue of Christ. Now, there's a little bit of history behind that. So back after World War II, Italian sculptor named Guido Galletti, he actually made this statue. He was gonna make 2 statues. And what happened was, after he made the first statue, he actually put it off the coast of Italy. It's still there today, still a beautiful sight. I haven't been there, but we will one day. All right, the second statue he was gonna make, the statue didn't have enough bronze, because these things are made out of entirely bronze. So Guido was like, you know, I don't have enough bronze, I can't make this statue. This was a little bit after World War II. So what happened was, our American Navy actually contacted him. They're like, hey, we'll send you a couple boat propellers made out entirely of bronze. You can melt them down and you can sculpt your sculpture. So in 1953, he actually sculpted another sculpture and put it off the port of Panafino. And then after that, in 1963, he was so grateful for what the American Navy done, he actually donated an exact sculpture of what the first 2. He made 3 sculptures. Sculpture, he actually sunk down in the middle of the ocean. And this thing, you guys seen it, 2,000 pounds, 12 feet tall. It's a beautiful masterpiece. It is world renowned. Everybody all over the world tried to find this area and tried to dive with this thing and tried to take selfies and put it on Instagram, it's Facebook and all this stuff. They do all that because it's such a beautiful work of art. So Guido Galletti from Italy. I don't know if you're still alive, buddy, but if you are and if you ever see this video, I greatly appreciate it. Without you, we couldn't have made this video today. But anyway, glad you guys got to come out here with me today. Enjoy the scenery under the water like we always do. Today, I just got so, oh man, we got some waves coming. I don't know where they're coming from. I got so excited and just like coming here, like I almost like start getting teary-eyed. I'm living my dream. People go to work and they go home and they don't love their life. And you know, the way I see this life is too short. You gotta do all you can while you can, like I told him in the interview a while back. The video link will be in the description below. We only have one life, so we gotta make the best of it. I'm glad you guys got to be with me today. Hang out with me, see some awesome marine life, seen the statue of Christ that was sculpted longer than I've ever even been thought of. It was an amazing dive today. Glad you guys got to enjoy it with me. But as always, I'll see you guys back under the water.